Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Aaron. In today's video we're using the Roland CNC milling machine to CNC machine a piece of timber. Now this is for a Year 10 project that we teach, and it's for a mixed material light display. So the students will use Fusion 360 to design their model and also produce a full set of working drawings, and then off to the machine and cut out their part. Now the XY origin of the machine is set up to the centre of both parts, so we'll move there now. That should be the exact centre, and the Z0 is set to the top of the part using the sensor. We'll move down to the Z0 now, and that should be exactly at the top of the part. Now the software we're using here today is quite old. It's a software called V-Carve Pro. You can still purchase it today. I find it a little bit easier to use with high school students when they're learning the concepts of CNC machining. We'll zoom in. So with V-Carve Pro, they actually require a DXF file, and well, in this version it does. So we put the DXF file of the part, and then we can allocate tool paths. Now the tool paths are a little bit old. They're not like the modern tool paths a modern CAM system would actually output. The other thing at the moment, even though this little machine, this little Roland MDX40 here, it is capable of running G-code, but it's currently running RML, and RML is Roland machine language. So that it does arcs and circles a little bit differently, and probably not as smooth as a modern day CAM package. If we look at the tool paths, we've got a front pocket, a front contour. So you'll notice I've named the tool paths Op1 and Op2. So there's 2 operations in Op1 and 4 operations in Op4. All right, we can actually simulate this if we come over here to a 3D view, and I can close this here and just actually simulate all the tool paths. So we'll click preview all and have a look. Might be going a little bit fast, but you can see what it's going to do here today. All right, so let's head back to the machine here, and we'll go to output toolpath, and we're going to output all of them. Okay, and click back in this main screen here, just click output toolpath, click OK, and the little machine is off and racing, and I'll come up to that front pocket first. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to send me a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you may have.